Hi, to enable developer options on your POCO X7, first thing first, open settings on your phone and here choose About Phone tab. After that, you should see OS version, so we'll need to tap 7 times on this tab to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm a developer, so to check this, I will need to go back in the main settings. Here, find additional settings, and now scroll down and find developer options. So now you can adjust some settings. For example, you can enable or disable USB debugging here. You can find automatic system updates here. So if you want for your phone to update when device restarts, then enable it by tapping on the switcher. You can check many features here, enable or disable. Just take a look how many features we got here. And when you're done changing it, we just need to disable developer options if you want to by tapping on the switcher, and now it's gone from additional settings. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!